Welcome to Powell's Fundamentals. The video source is from Faroe Islands Live. Link below. You can find more videos like this on our channel. Today's news report is for Tuesday, January 14th, 2025. First up, let's take a look at the weather.
Okay, so right now there's a low pressure system southeast of Iceland,
Okay.
and it's moving northeast, bringing rain to the Faroe Islands from the west.
I see.
We can expect more rain from the south later this week as a series of low pressure systems in the North Atlantic move towards Iceland.
Okay. So let's get specific. What can we expect for the rest of the week?
So for today, Tuesday, the wind will be southeasterly, fresh to strong, increasing to strong to gale force.
Right.
It will be partly cloudy and mostly dry, with rain moving in during the afternoon. Temperatures will be between 4 and 9 degrees Celsius.
All right. And what about Wednesday?
Wednesday's wind will be southeasterly, fresh to strong, occasionally gale force. We can expect overcast and rainy conditions with temperatures around 9 degrees Celsius.
Got it. How does the rest of the week shape up?
Looking ahead to Thursday, the wind will be southeasterly, fresh to strong, increasing to strong to gale force in the afternoon.
Okay.
It'll shift to south and then west overnight, increasing to severe gale or storm force. We're looking at overcast conditions with rain or sleet, turning to continuous rain overnight. Temperatures between 7 and 11 degrees Celsius.
Sounds like it's going to be a wild one. What about Friday?
Friday brings westerly winds, starting as a severe gale or storm force, decreasing to gentle to fresh breeze in the morning. It will shift to southeast and increase to fresh to strong in the evening.
Okay.
Friday starts overcast with rain, becoming mostly dry in the morning before returning to overcast with rain in the evening. Temperatures will range from 4 to 8 degrees Celsius.
Wow. That's quite a change. Anything else we should know about the weekend?
On Saturday, expect southeasterly winds, fresh to gale force with overcast conditions and rain or sleet. Temperatures will hover between 8 and 10 degrees Celsius. Finally, Sunday will see variable winds, light to gentle breeze with overcast conditions and sleet. Temperatures will range from 6 to 9 degrees Celsius.
So overall, a pretty wet and windy week ahead. Now let's move on to the news, focusing specifically on the political landscape today.
The ongoing story about U.S. President-elect Donald Trump's plans to purchase Greenland continues to make waves internationally, causing political ripples, particularly in Denmark.
That's right. In the U.S., there's a bill titled Make Greenland Great Again, which has been introduced in the House of Representatives.
Right.
This bill would authorize Trump to negotiate the purchase of Greenland from Denmark upon his inauguration on January 20th.
And in response to these developments, Greenlandic politicians have unanimously stated that Greenland will never become part of the USA.
Adding another dimension to the situation, a Russian parliament member has suggested that the USA and Russia could divide Greenland. Meanwhile, the Danish government is facing criticism for its handling of the Greenland situation.
Some of this criticism is related to Denmark's substantial military aid to Ukraine, including the donation of F-16 aircraft and its stance on Russian tankers in the Baltic Sea. This situation has led some experts to believe that if Greenland gains independence, the Faroe Islands might follow suit.
Yeah.
And that could potentially strengthen ties between the Faroe Islands and Russia.
Especially since the Faroe Islands just recently extended a 1977 fishing agreement with Russia.
Yeah.
Despite sanctions and concerns from both Denmark and the EU.
Right, and it's also important to remember that Greenland's potential independence is governed by the 2009 Home Rule Act, which requires a referendum and approval from both the Greenlandic and Danish parliaments. So the vote for Greenland's independence could take place after the parliamentary elections, which are scheduled for April 6th.
Got it. Shifting gears to some other international news.
Okay.
German Defense Minister Boris Pistorius visited Kyiv yesterday.
Right.
And delivered the first of several dozen RCH-155 battle tanks to Ukraine.
Yeah.
And closer to home, the Faroe Islands police conducted 2 speed checks yesterday.
Yeah.
6 drivers were caught speeding. In Vagar, 1 driver received a warning for driving 115 kilometers.
Okay.
While 3 others had their licenses clipped for driving 107 and 111 kilometers.
Wow.
What about the other speed check?
The second check was on Sildaf Shararvigur, where 2 drivers received license clips for exceeding the speed limit in a built-up area.
Okay, how fast were they going?
They were clocked at 80 and 81 kilometers.
Last summer, there was a significant mold infestation discovered in the storage facility at the National Museum of the Faroe Islands.
Yeah.
Thousands of items are being cleaned and registered as a result.
Right.
The museum director, Her Leifhammer, has said that they need additional staff to help with this extensive cleaning and registration process and are currently seeking a conservator and several assistants for temporary positions. And that's the news for Tuesday, January 14th, 2025. You can find more videos like this on Pell Fundamentals, the video sources from Faroe Islands Live, link below.
Thanks for joining us.